kusemzimkhulu wezorhatsha eJohannesburg ulapho imbiza yendaba itlapazela khona nanzi ezijujileko.
We are actively rooting out corruption in our immigration system.
Umengameli uRamaphosa uthi uncamile nakathi uzobuthula nemirajana yabo ukukhohlakala ezweni lekhethu kobanyana isitjhaba sizobuzwa ngokupheleleko ubumnandi betjhaphuluko eyalwelwa kabuhlungu eSouth Africa.
We are suffering for electricity and we don't have water.
I complain about the issue of IEC that they don't do proper voter education.
Isitjhaba sithi izenzelwa zingakafiki ngokupheleleko itjhaphuluko angekhe iphelele kuza kusolo kuyinto esitheke ngale kombundu.
Ingakabi khona ebantwini besifazane ngoba into eziningi kuthiwa basho zenziwa babantu besilisa.
I-unemployment isetulu kakhulu ni.
Elutsha lilila kangako lithi itjhaphuluko iseseyizwa ngobatsho kibo ngombana izinto eziningi zisenyula amadoda kunaboma. Ngulilanga elihle ilanga letjhaphuluko ngiyalotshisa begodwa ngiyakwamukela indabeni zesiNdebele ku-SABC1 nginguthulani Bongwe ngibawanje komana kulilanga letjhaphuluko samkelane nganasindlela. Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa uzihlabe ngamagama abukhali izenzo zobukhohlakala nakakhuluma nezakhamuzi zeBloemfontein eFree State emnyanyeni wokugidinga itjhaphuluko utshwile bona uzobuthula nemirabhu yabo ubukhohlakala ngilombuthano begidingwa iminyaka ema-32 iSouth Africa yafumana itjhaphuluko sizakubuya kile ndaba nenithombe ngokupheleleko. ISouth Africa igidinga ilanga letjhaphuluko nje kusikhathi sokubuyekeza isithunzi ukulingana namalungelo obuntu. Iphiko lendaba le-SABC livakatshele isikolo esithuthukisa amakghonofundwa nesithwasisa abafundi abangaboniko nabakhubazekileko i-Action for Blind and Disabled Roodepoort. Ivakatjho leli liza ngemva kobana i-SABC ibike ngomtjhagalo wabafundi besikolo lesi phambilini inyanga le. Abafundi bamatshe ngokuthula ngaphandle kwesikolo lesi basola abaphathi besikolo ngobukirikitshana ukubandlulula nokuthusela. Izenzo lezi zenza umuntu azibuze imibuzo ebudisi njengokuthi ngahani inhlangano ezingasingaphasi kahulumende ezihlokomela abantu abakhubazekileko ziyalawulwa na begodwa kwenziwa okwaneleko na ukuvikela ezinye zezakhamuzi zeSouth Africa ezisengozini khulu. Iminyaka ngemva kwesehlakalo esifana nesehlakalo esenzeka esidimeni esaveza tjhatshalaza umthelela omumbi wobudlapha nokwecisa amehlo.
Umfundo ofunda esikolweni neso bawungavezwa ngombana asabukukhahlunyezo uthi impilo idisi. Uthi imali yesibonelelo sikahulumende ayanele indingo zakhe zamalanga ekumtshiye ebaleni asengozini begodu abhalelwa ukuziphilisa endaweni kude nekhaya angakayijayeli.
Impilo enzima because manje ngiyarent and la rent akhona 1.5 so irent iyasini.
Sithena siphenyisisa sathola ukuthi omunye umfundi okhe wafunda esikolweni nesi waqothwa esikolweni ngo-2024 ngombana asidisi.
She told me that uzongixosha I can't continue with the learnership because I'm pregnant.
Umnyango wezokuthuthukiswa komphakathi uthi umnyango lo awusekeli isikolo esingemali kodwa nasithola ukuthi isikolo esihloliswe njengehlangano engasebenzeli inzuzo ngaphasi komnyango lo ngokuya komthetho wenhlangano ezingasebenzeli inzuzo iNPO 71 of 1997 ekumthetho onikela umnyango lo amandla wokulawula nokutjheja inhlangano ezingasebenzeli inzuzo nezingasingaphasi kahulumende. Ikomishini yamalungelo wobuntu ithi ithome iphenyo.
There doesn't seem to be proper monitoring and evaluation of these NGOs in terms of the standards that they must meet.
We have the Equality Court, we need to take these things out there. We have the normal criminal justice system, we need to take these things up there.
I-services sitha ithi ayisekele ngemali isikolo esi yangezela nangokuthi yona iphathisa amakghonofundwa anikelwa zinkolo kwaphela kodwa na i-MICT sitha yona ithi ayinawo amarekhoda ebandakanya nesikolo esi yeke-ke yoke imibuzo ekhona fanele ibuzwe i-services sitha.
We're going to arrange an on-site visit monitoring visit in order to identify if there are any gaps related to the implementation of the curriculum by this specific skill development provider.
Isikolo esisibhalile ukuphawula ngendaba le sasithumele emagcwethe naso nawabhalile ukukhuluma nembiki endaba.
Mbukeli asibuyelekile ndaba kade sikuthembise yona phambilini. Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa uzihlabe ngamagama abukhali izenzo zobukhohlakali nakakhuluma nezakhamuzi zeBloemfontein eFree State emnyanyeni wokugidinga ichapuluko. Utshwile bona uzobruthula nemrabhu yabo ubukhohlakali. Ngilombuthano begidingwa iminyaka ema-32 iSouth Africa yafumana ichapuluko.
Embuthaneni lo umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa ugandelele khulu indaba yokulwisana nobelelesi ophazamisana nechapuluko yelizweli. Uthi yonke imali eyetshwako ifana nokuthi kusahlelwa idemocracy yelizweli. Waveza nokuthi wonke amaprojekthi womphakathi achiwa ngakapheli kuqalela phasi umphakathi. Uthi lezi ngizo inzathu ezenza bona uhulumende asombulule ukuqiniswa kwabohulumende bemakhaya ukwenza ukuthi basebenze ngcono. uRamaphosa okhulume wagandelela ngendaba yamaphandle selizweni ngokungemthetho wabawa ukuthi amaphandle ahloniphe umthetho weSouth Africa pha.
We are actively rooting out corruption in our immigration system. We know that a number of people who have come in illegally into our country were allowed by some, not all, officials who have had corrupt tendencies. We will not allow people to take the law into their own hands. We extend hospitality to those who are guests in our country with the expectation that generosity is honored with respect for our society and its laws. And we say to those who are here legally, respect us as South Africans.
Umqozululu wezomphakathi eBloemfontein uthi uRamaphosa ukhulume ngemiraro amaSouth Africa amaningi akhuluma ngayo kufana nokuhwahlaphala kwemthangalasisekelo, ukufadalala kwabomasipalata kunye nokungaphakelwa kwensiza.
There was a time in this country when freedom was not a right but a dream. There was a time in this country when a few people were free and were regarded as citizens. Many were not free. It was a time when voices of many people were silenced, where dignity was denied to millions who were excluded from the life of the country that they called home.
Ezinye izakhamuzi ziyamkele ikulumo kaMengameli kodwana zilila ngokuthi imiraro eminingi ethinta ilutsha akhange itshejwe.
Kululeko seyingakabi khona ebantwini besifazane ngoba into eziningi kuthiwa basho zenziwa babantu besilisa kuphela, thina asikwazi ukuzenza esabantu besifazane.
Kuvisa buhlungu kakhulu ukubona ukuthi after 32 years of democracy sanetinkinga la eSouth Africa isma students and bantu labasha ni unemployment isetulu kakhulu ni.
uRamaphosa ukhumbuze amaSouth Africa ukuthi ingomuso lelizweli angeze lakhiwa ngokulibala ukuthi ilizweli libuya kuphi, kodwana ukuthatha amagadango ngesibindi ngalokho ilizweli esele likufundile ngokusebenzisa umthetho sisekelo.
Liutlwile molaetsa wa president. Liutlwile. Uri hanyane hanyane.
Ake sicale kezinye imfunda ukuthi khona ukhambe njani umnyanya wokugidinga ilanga lechapuluko. Bakhona abalingani bethu abalilihlo babuye babe yindlebe bethu.
Abanye abantu abatsha abavakatshela imuseum yombuso webandlululo njengengcenye yesikhumbuzo selanga lechapuluko bakholwa bona indanga zabo zingafunda okukhulu echapulukweni yalo lwalizwe.
In apartheid we didn't mix at all and we couldn't have friends from different races. It's only one, and like I'm one of those people that likes making friends with each and every kind of race.
This day just to me comes as a sense of pride for the rest of South Africa, because it just brings a sense of this is the day where everybody was called somebody.
Empumalanga izakhamuzi zephola hlanu kweHeavy View zithi solo zisalinde ichapuluko egidengwa mnyaka yonke ukuthi ikhe ifike nempompeni zabo kuphuma amanzi kube nendlela ezinenkontiri nezindlu ze-RDP. Zithi amanzi ayindlala zithembele elorini ezithengisa amanzi begodu indlela zikhambeki.
We don't have electricity for 5 months. We are suffering for electricity and we don't have water. Everything we are suffering.
Where I'm from, we have pavement now. We're still struggling with water.
eLimpopo undunankulu uDokotela Phophi Mothuba uhlanganyele nomphakathi saseLamani Stadium kumasipalata iCollins Chabane uthi ilanga lechapuluko abantu abayithabelako ayingahlanganiswa nokuphila kamnandi.
Residents of our province, we must never confuse the freedom we enjoy today with false comforts of routine.
Gandhi eMarafana Ncangedzanini eLimpopo iSABC ixoxisene noMakadebona womzabalazo owayehlangana nesiqhema esasilwela ichapuluko uMasingita Magana owabelulunga lephiko lomkhonto wesizwe uthi ichapuluko ekhulunywa ngayo le ayisingiyo ababayilwela.
The democracy that we have is from Oxford University and the World Economic Forum. It's a project. This is not what we fought for.
eMpumalanga Kapa okhulumela uHulumende wesifunda uKhusela Ranches uthi ilanga lechapuluko lithuba lokuqala amajuguluko neragelo phambili esifundeni esizombelele.
It's an opportunity for the people of the Eastern Cape to reflect on the progress that government has made in terms of improving their lives.
Izakhamuzi zithi ziyawubona umkhanyo kodwa nezinye zithi solo zizwa ngobatsho ichapuluko.
Nakukhunjulwa ilanga lechapuluko njalo ngakelinye ihlangothi ababelethi babafundi beGood Hope Primary School eCofimvaba eMpumalanga Kapa bathi nakuyichapuluko bayizwa ngobatsho bathi bahagalelwe izintshitshilo zokuhlayelelwa mamanzi kunye nendlwana zokuzithuma enkolweni.
Kumakhulu amabini besikolo saseGood Hope bazithuma kwelithafa abazali bayibona lonto njengengozi kubantwana babo kwaye ikwabathoba isidima iphazamisana nokufunda nokufundisa bathi baphoxeke gqitha ngurhulumente. Imeko yezi zindlu zangasese ibangele ukuba abazali babhinqele phezulu bezama ukuzakhela ngokwabo kodwa ingxaki zezimali zibe ngumqobo endleleni yabo batsho bazishiya zingogqunywanga zikwayingozi kubafundi.
Besizama ngokwethu ukhawulela nemeko le yabantwana njengoba nibona nje namacingwana angadlakadlaka apha esikolweni. Sicela kuncedo nokubani nonovela noncedo azinazi toilets apha kunzima.
Sizawufelwa ke ngabantwana apha ngoba kaloku into eyenzekayo ngoku apha le mingxunya siyombaya side sikwazi ukuzakha ezitoilet because asinamali. Omnye sithi makasinike i-R5 sihambe sicela i-donation.
Imeko imbi nangaphakathi kumagumbi okufundela kwesisikolo. Abazali bathi kudala bethethana nesebe lemfundo esiseko kodwa libika imbiba libika ibuzi.
Isebe iqinisekisile ukuba isithili sizayifaka kwi-priority list yayo ka-2026-2027 khona ukuze naso soxhamla kuzo zonke into urhulumente azixhamlisa kuzo isikolo.
Umba wezindlu zangasese zingagungxulwayo iseyingxaki enkulu ezikolweni abazali besoyikisela ingozi ebantwaneni babo. Ngo-2018 koyela kwasweleka umfundi kaGrade R uLumka Khethwa emnqunyeni wendlu yangasese engakhuselekanga kwisikolo saseMbizana. Kwindaba ze-SABC ndingufundiswa Mhlekude eCofimvaba.
Nasibuya entolo.
Yabona indlela yena wahlanganiswa nomgadlanga utshinga esibhedlela. Ifuna masipalata or iprovince ithathwe lapho yokuphumela ngale yokuhlangana nendlela ebeyakamlomo.
Kubanjwe imbizo yezakhamuzi zakwamhlanga ezisalelanga ukuthi ichapuluko iyafifiyela nakuhlayela izenzelo. Kunalanga lechapuluko indaba sekhona mbukeli kanina zikuphundileko siyatholakala ku YouTube, SABC Plus, TikTok, X na ku Facebook. Asirage nazo. Isikolo esaziwa ngekwaDukathole Comprehensive School eKatlehong sigidinge ilanga lechapuluko ngokukhuthaza ilutsha bona lingene emkhakheni wezokulima. Isikolo esi sathule ingadi.
Lesi sikole samabanga phezulu sifundisa abafundi izifundo zolimo kusukela ku grade 8 kuze kuyofika ku grade 12. Sihlomisa labantu abasha ngolwazi lokulima oluzobacijisa nakusasa. Lesi sikole sethule uhlelo lokulima olusha lwe-hydroponic oluthatha izindlela zokulima ezijwayelekile lizihlanganise nokuchwephesha besimanje ukuze ukuhluma kwezitshalo kusheshe.
We are installing a hydroponics project. So it's a commercial tunnel and it's a large-scale food garden project to supply fresh produce to the feeding scheme at the school and to sell surplus produce to generate an income for the school.
Abantwana bethu bazothola ukudla okunomsoco from the same garden. Isikole sinethuba lokuthi si raise ama funds si continue si build through those funds si build isikole ngoba iproduce ezophuma la izoba yiningi kakhulu. Angeke sifide kuphela abantwana, maybe sincedise nabanye emphakathini.
Lengadi ye-hydroponic izonezezela ohlelweni lokuhlinzekwa kwabafundi ngokudla.
So this particular garden has 1,800 plants, and we have a variety going in here. So we have broccoli, we have cauliflower, we have spinach, and we have mustard greens.
Manisa imfundo, ubuchwepheshe besimanje kanye nentshisekelo yokukhiqiza ukudla okunomsoco. Lesi sikole siyaqinisekisa ukuthi inkululeko yakuleli isezandleni ezinhle kulentsha ezimisele ukufunda ngokulima. Ezindabeni ze-SABC, uNondumiso Mkhize Bowe, eKatlehong, eGruleni.
Izakhamuzi ezingaphasi kwakamasipalata weThembisile zibambe umzombe wesibili wembizo eholweni yakwaMhlanga lapho bezokuveza khona inlilo ngezenzelwa nemfiso zazo kumasipalata. Umeyara uLesetshadi Khale uthe kuqhakathekile bona umphakathi ufake isandla ekulweni nezenzo ezile ituthuko endaweni ezingaphasi kwakamasipalata lo. uDikhale uthe ukusebenzisana nokulalelana phakathi kwakamasipalata nabantu kungaletha impumelelo enkulu ebantwini.
Ngomningi abantu bazokuzwakalisa izinto ezisabegugu nako. Indaba yokuhlogeka kwamathuba emisebenzi, isekelo lezemali nokhunye hlangana nokuveleleka kulembizo. Hlangana nokhunye okuphakanyiswa umphakathi indaba yendlela. Umphakathi ufuna ngathana endleleni R573 eyazwa ngeMloto Road kuba nendlela erabhulako ingene esibhedlela sakwaMhlanga kunokuthi umuntu achayela abe ukufika epambano ndlela kwaMhlanga ngaphambi kokuthaya esibhedlela.
Ndibonile nawahlanganiswa ngumahamba utshinga esibhedlela ifuna masipalata or iprovince ithathwe lapho yokuphumela ngale ukuhlangana nendlela ebeya eMloto so that ukuya ePitori ungayokhonjesta abantu bayafalibhanga nekwapa nofika lapho ofrembe ungena ukhuphukela ngamaMhlanga.
We are creatives, we are here. Asuma umestapela creative lapha endleleni and we are just asking for you as the executive mayor to assist us and also sponsor these programs that are intending to tell the story of this African city that you intend to build.
In a skill gap mayor lana sinama matriculant angakhona ukuya to different places to study. Are you guys engaging nama stakeholders kuzovula i-TVET college la eThembisile na? Sidinga i-TVET college within the municipality.
Program yazi nama stalls kunabomama bathengisayo lapho ke developing nama stalls lapho ukuthi abantu abaphuma estadium bayavela khona lapho.
Umyara uDikhale utshela izakhamuzi bona uyazizwa inlilo wathi umasipala ufuna kwanda ukusebenzisana nezakhamuzi wabe waphakamisa nendaba yeTVET college ezokuvula kumasipala lo.
September October sabe sinwathi iTVET yokuqala la neTips. It will be launching that. Must create our CPF blocks and others ukuze infrastructure yethu ingakhulwa abantu abamoshayo for the sake of ukwenza vandalism.
Izakhamuzi zifuna nesizo lezemali ukuthuthukisa amabhizinisi namanye amahlelo azokwakhela abantu abatsha amathuba emisebenzi.
Ekhasini lethu leFacebook sibuze ukuthi litsho ukuthini kuwe ilanga leFreedom Day. Asizwe umbono wakho mbukeli.
Sizoyithabela njani i-freedom ngapha abantu abaningi bangabereki?
Mhlawumbe ngaphambilini lwalusho okuthize njengamanje alisasho lutho.
Insuku ziyefana nje ngihlalele nje ekhaya akukho lutho.
Ayithetha likhulu i-Freedom Day msasazi kuba sasingakwazi nokuthetha.
I-Freedom Day isho ukuthi nginamalungelo okwenza noma ngabe yini ngesikhathi engisifunayo as long as ngingeke ngihlukumeze amanye amalungelo abanye abantu.
Isomana nje sithi yiyo nje i-freedom. But ngoba ukuthi sikhamba noma ihuphi siyazilawula.
Awa, like me, I'll let you next. It doesn't mean anything.
Kubhalwe wrong ba Freedom Day. Kwamele uba kuthiwe kwelizwe nhlukumezo day.
Njengoba kubukeka engathi la South Africa isebenzela abantu abathile.
I-Freedom Day isho ukuthi sesiyakwazi ukungena noma ngabe kuphi. Siyakwazi ukukhuluma ngelimi zethu esizithandayo zomdabu.
Umbono onke umbukeli, i-SABC ayizokuthwasa umlando ukuziphendulela kombono umbukeli.
Basebenzi labo dade siyabathokozisa. Asicale lapha ke ubujamo bezulu silothisile ekhaya. Sibona lapha ke livale ngamafu ngethingalanga yenarha. Na uthi uyaqala ngeGwini ukusuka lapha eGeorge ukufika eGqeberha nge-30% nangapha ke ngeMpumalanga yenarha yeSouth Africa amathuba wezulu atholakale nge-30%. Kusasa ke abuyela kakhulu ngaleke ngaKwaZulu Natal kuthinteke nalapha kancancazana isifunda sangaleke ngeMpumalanga kanti nangapha ngeGwini eliseSewula kusesenjalo nge-30% yamathuba wezulu. Sitholela lapha ke isilemukiso sibona lapha kunomoya obanga ilwandle ukuthi libe bukhali ukusuka ngale kubo Richards Bay uyokufika ngale ke endaweni zabo Gqeberha kanti ke nakusasa pheze ke kusesenjalo umoya lo mkhulu hle ukusuka ngapha ngeGqeberha uchinge ngale ke godu endaweni zangale ngeDurban nangale ngeRichards Bay wenzeke ukuthi amaza aphakame khulu. Asicalele lapha ke kuthanjana amazinga okuchisa sithoma lapha ngesifunda seGauteng sipholile pheze kizo zonke indawo eBronkhorstspruit ke khona kufuthumele nge24 iJohannesburg i22 kusasa nasisi yaqala sibona lapha ke ngeLimpopo bonakala lapha ke emusena kuyachisa ukuthi kezinye indawo zonke isifunda sifuthumele asiyokuqalela ukuthi kunjani esifundeni sangeMpumalanga kusesikhukhuza lapho kufuthumele khona ukuthi zonke indawo bomalahleni sekhunda lapha eCarolina kufuthu angithi lapha kupholile nangale ngeEmelo kusasa kwaZulu Natal sifunda sonke pheze simakhazana kungale ke ngeDurban neRichards Bay la kuphole khona nge22 ngemva kwamadina iMpumalanga Kapa ke leya ke isifunda sonke simakhaza imini yonke mbathani nifuthumele ngapho khulukhulu eMalitswayi ngemva kwamadina 11 lapha ke esifundeni sangale ke ngethingalanga Kapa naso sibonakala khulukhulu ngeGwini simakhaza nalapha endaweni zabo Beaufort West kumakhaza iFred Ndalo yona ke buya nganeno iyaphola ngemva kwamadina nge21 nase eNorthern Cape nayo ke pheze isifunda sonke imini yonke kumakhaza khulukhulu eSutherland ngemva kwamadina 11 degrees Celsius asiyoqala lapha ke esifundeni sangale ngeFreystata naso ke simakhaza nesifunda sangale ke ngeNorth West asibonani kodwa ngesikhathi esilandelako dido.
Siphelela lapha indaba zethu zanamhlanje kulandela zesisulu ngesimbi ekhomba kusasa ngesikhathi esifanako ngesesiswati kukhobongile.